Well, I'm just getting started.
You're just getting started?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's gonna fall off. That's gonna fall off.
I've got it.
Oh. You've got it? Okay.
Well, for a really long time now, I have been storing these really thin sheets off of a piece of black walnut. I don't really recall why we would have cut them this thin off of the sawmill, but they seemed too nice to throw in the burn pile, so I've just been storing them waiting for the right project to come along. And turns out this is the project. I really, really don't like these ugly laminated nasty fins for the ceiling fan, and the one side that's better than the other is all torn up from having something taped to it. So we're going to trace these out onto the black walnut, and we're going to make some black walnut fins. So here's what we have to do, Emmett. All of these have different spots on them that the blade is inside of. So we can't just line up an edge and go to work on all of them. We have to trace out all of these and get a rough shape first. And then we can tape them together and sand them all at one time.
Okay.
So we just need to take these one at a time. Figure out the best spot for the fan. So we don't want any of this sapwood. We don't really want any of that bark. But we like that. That's kind of pretty.
Yeah.
So we'll just go from this side and trace it.
Okay.
And we want, I think we're just going to go with this exact same shape. We could take and make up our own shape if we really wanted to. But I think this will be good enough. So that's one. Now we want to avoid that crack. The crack actually looks deeper on this side, so we check it from this side. Yep. I'll hold it down. You trace it. There. Next we'll have to saw it.